Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Miss Lucy English Channel. I'm Lucy, and my heart is overflowing with joy knowing you're here with me today. If this is your first time joining us, a big warm hug and welcome. You found a cozy, loving place where English learning feels gentle, kind, and full of encouragement. Now relax and listen carefully. This is an easy English story for listening practice. You do not need to repeat now. Just listen calmly and enjoy the story. Today's story is called At Work, a Busy Morning. The main character is Mina. This story uses simple and clear English. Let us begin. Mina wakes up early in the morning, before the sun is fully up. The alarm rings softly on her phone, a gentle melody she chose so it wouldn't startle her. She opens her eyes slowly, blinking as the room comes into focus. The light from the window is soft and gray, the sky still pale with dawn. She lies there for a moment, feeling the warmth of her blanket, listening to the quiet sounds of the house waking up, a distant bird singing, the faint hum of traffic far away. She sits up in bed, her bare feet touching the cool wooden floor. She stands for a moment, letting her body wake up fully, wiggling her toes against the wood. Mina goes to the bathroom, walking slowly down the short hallway. She washes her face with cold water, splashing it under her skin to feel fresh and awake. The water is refreshing, waking her mind as well as her body. She brushes her teeth, the mint toothpaste making her mouth feel clean and bright. She looks in the mirror, seeing her reflection, her hair a little messy from sleep, her eyes still soft. She smiles gently, saying good morning to herself in her mind, a quiet ritual she does every day. Mina goes back to her room. She gets dressed for work. She chooses clean and comfortable clothes, a soft blue shirt, dark pants, and a light jacket for the cool morning air. She buttons her shirt carefully, making sure it's neat and smooth. She brushes her hair, tying it back simply so it stays out of her face. She checks the time on her clock. It is 7 o'clock. She needs to hurry a little, but not too much. She doesn't want to feel rushed or stressed. Mina goes to the kitchen. She makes a simple breakfast: 2 slices of toast with butter and jam, a piece of fruit, and a cup of tea. She drinks the tea slowly, the warm liquid soothing her throat and waking her up gently. She eats quietly, sitting at the small table by the window. She looks outside, seeing the street slowly coming to life, people walking dogs, cars passing, the sky turning lighter. She feels more awake now, the food giving her energy. She feels ready for the day ahead, her mind starting to think about what will happen at work. Mina takes her bag and keys. She leaves her home, stepping out into the morning air. The air is fresh and cool on her skin, waking her even more. She locks the door behind her, turning the key twice to be sure. Outside, the street is busy with people going to work or school. Cars pass by slowly, birds sing in the trees, the city beginning its day. Mina walks to the bus stop, her steps steady and calm. She waits patiently under the shelter, standing with others who are also going to work. She looks at her phone, checking the time again and reading a short message from a friend. The bus arrives, its doors opening with a soft hiss. Mina gets on the bus. She finds a seat by the window. She sits down and relaxes, letting her body rest against the seat. She looks out the window as the bus moves through the city. The buildings pass by, shops opening, people walking quickly on sidewalks. Trees line the streets, their leaves green and fresh in the morning light. After some time, Mina gets off the bus at her stop. She walks to her office building, the sidewalk busy with other workers carrying bags and coffee cups. She takes a deep breath, feeling the air fill her lungs, preparing herself for the day. Mina enters the office, the door heavy but familiar. She greets her coworkers with a smile. She says, "Good morning." Her coworkers smile and answer, "Good morning," their voices friendly and warm. Mina sits at her desk, the chair comfortable under her. She turns on her computer, the screen lighting up with a soft glow. She starts her work, opening programs and files she needs for the day. She checks her emails, reading each one carefully. She types slowly, replying to messages with clear, thoughtful words. The office feels busy, people talking softly in the background, phones ringing occasionally, the sound of keyboards clicking. Mina feels focused, her mind on her tasks. She works step by step, completing one thing before moving to the next. She does her best, taking her time to do it right, making sure everything is clear and correct. After some time, Mina feels thirsty. She stands up, stretching her legs and arms. She goes to get some water from the cooler in the corner. She drinks water slowly, the cool liquid refreshing her throat. She feels refreshed, her mind clearer. She goes back to her desk, sitting down again with a small smile. Later, Mina finishes an important task. She checks it twice to be sure everything is right. She feels proud of her work, a quiet satisfaction inside. Her manager comes by and says, "Good job, Mina." Mina feels happy inside. She says, "Thank you," her voice soft but grateful. The morning passes quickly. Mina looks at the clock on her computer. It is almost lunchtime. She thinks, "I worked hard this morning." She feels satisfied with what she accomplished, ready for the rest of the day. Now think about Mina. She wakes up early. She works carefully. She does her best. Now think about you. What do you do in the morning? You can say, "I wake up early. I go to work. I check my emails. I work hard. I drink tea. I feel ready." These sentences are simple. They are very useful. You can use them every day. Listening to English stories helps you learn real English. You hear how words connect. You hear the rhythm of the language. You understand more naturally. You feel more confident. You feel more comfortable with English in your ears and in your heart. Thank you for listening to Miss Lucy English Channel. Keep listening every day. You are doing great. You are growing every time you listen. You are building something beautiful inside you. See you in the next Easy English story.